Hey, Nathan here from PH Studios, and welcome to a update video. It's been a couple months since I released any tutorials or any videos or anything like that, and I wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing the past few months. I'm working on redesigning the main website and making it much better than the way it is now. In that process, I'm making a database for all my tutorials and all my videos. So that's taken up quite a bit of time to convert. The way it is now, it's just static HTML the way it is now. So I had to create the database schema and then insert all those database records for the series, and then the tutorials, and then the assets. So if a tutorial links to a PDF file, I need to have that as an asset for that tutorial. So all that stuff needs to be added to the database, and getting that to work right is taking quite a bit of time. And while I'm doing that, I'm also working on the design, and some of you may have already seen this before. But the design, this is the home page. It's zoomed out so you can see it since I'm recording at a lower resolution. But this is what the page is going to be. Straight to the latest content, the current projects, and then links to the homepage, YouTube channel, and then the forums down here. So that's the homepage, and I want the series page to look something like this. I'm in the process of working on this. As you see, there's a blank space up here for a lengthy description, but it'll have the series name and then a short description and then a long description here, and any assets that the series as a whole needs, and then each tutorial down here, and these are the assets. So if I have an asset that says link to this PDF file, it'll be down here. So not all these tutorials will have these green links. These are just there for design purposes. But you'll see this is tutorial 6. This is the title, and this is the description. So it'll go on and on how many tutorials the series has. And it's going to be a responsive design. So it's going to be the same site depending on if you're looking at the site using a 4K display or looking at it on your iPhone. It'll be the same site, it'll just change the way the site looks. So that's what I've been working on for the website. I've also been working on the game project, the space sandboxy type of project. And I've also been working on finishing the flocking artificial intelligence series. All the concept video, everything related to the flocking artificial intelligence concepts are finished. The only thing left to do is combine them all into one and to create a artificial intelligence library. I'm also working on new DirectX videos, but those will be out in a while. So not only am I working on a few projects for the website, there's also a development going on in our backyard, and it's a swimming pool being built. It's just about done, but that's been going on for the past month, and I've just been walking around, getting ready. I got a prescription swimming goggles. And I've just been getting things ready. I've been taking pictures and videos. I'll probably put up some videos once it's all finished. I might combine it into one video and picture type of montage type of thing. But that is what has been going on. Most of the time is spent working on the database structure on here. I've decided after thinking long and hard about it, I've decided to use a database so I can set up a template system. That way, if I ever need to change it, all I need to do is modify something once. And if I want to modify, if I want to modify the color of this number, right now it's a tannish color. If I want to modify it to like black or white, if I want to just modify it to a different color, not only for each series, but look how many times I'd have to edit it if I just want to do this series. So with the database, I can just say, for every tutorial, this is the layout I want it to use. And if the tutorial has any assets, I want them to have this style of link. So that way, once the site's live or I test some stuff, if I don't like the way that this green button looks for the text, I can just change it once. And that will be much easier than modifying every single thing. So you could imagine I have about 200 videos. You could imagine how long it's taking to create the database schema and then create all the records for the videos and all the records for the series and all the records for the assets for both the series and the videos, and getting the YouTube ID for every single video and putting that in the database. Because if you click the title of the episode, it'll launch the YouTube video. So I just wanted to give this update to you, get this video out. So this is what I've been doing for the past few months. It's a lot of stuff to work on, and I'm almost done with the series page. The homepage is done. That's what it's going to look like. I did use a standard, just a circle for the series name, but I added the dashed outline, and I think that makes it look a lot better. This one I actually put content on it, what I want the page to look like. This one, I didn't bother doing that. I just did the standard lorem ipsum. That's just a standard Latin. You can generate how many paragraphs you want, and it'll just give you a random text that you could put in your page. A lot of web developers use this to test if they have 20 paragraphs, how their page would look. Just fill it with just dummy text and see how it'll look. So that's what I did. So let me know what you think. This isn't exactly done yet, but this will pretty much be how it will look and feel. I just need to add how the description will look up here. I think this is a good way to go. No distracting pictures, no distracting elements, just episode title, description, assets. You can click the title. If the download's available, there will be a download link, just straight to the content. Nice and clean, no advertisements. I'll never put any advertisements on the website. Nice, clean look, responsive design, so I don't have to make a separate mobile version. Let me show you what the old one looked like. I will open old responsive. So this is what the old one looked like. And I liked this design, but I took a break from it and released my flocking artificial intelligence videos. Pretty much the full stuff. You know, there's 2 tutorials left, but you get the whole idea of flocking. So I liked this, and then when I came back to it, I didn't like it anymore. It just wasn't feeling right. And do I have the tutorial page? Might be this one. Oh, it's a folder. That's the tutorials page. That doesn't look as good as it would if I have, tutorials here looking like this. So just imagine how the latest content looks and just have, here's the artificial intelligence series, here's the DirectX series, here's the Minecraft Let's Play series. That's a lot more clean, and this just looks... It just doesn't look right anymore. I like this style much better. So let me know what you think. The homepage is done. Some minor text changes, but this is what I want the homepage to look like. I'm also using a different font. It's free. I'm using Open Sans. You can use that in your web project if you like. It's free. It's nice looking. This is what it looks like. You can get it through the Google font system, so you don't have to add it to your website directly. And these are actually using one of the fonts I bought, and that is using Typograph Pro. I got this when I got a plugin for Adobe After Effects from Video Copilot. The Optical Flares Pro Presets 2, I believe. It came with these fonts, then you could use them in your projects. So, nice and clean looking site. It will be updated soon. I just wanted to get this video out and give you guys an update on what's been going on. I also started playing a new game, which I'll probably do a Let's Play of. It's Prison Architect. I only played it for a little bit. I've played 2 prisons. I've only played for about an hour or 2. I just got the feel of it, so I might do a full Let's Play on it. Alright, so I hope to see you in a little bit when I release some new tutorials. It might be a few more weeks yet. The pool's not done yet, and when it gets done, I'll be swimming a lot, so I won't have time to do recordings. Alright, so thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the series page. Any kind of modifications you'd like to make, as a visitor for this site. And just anything in general, what your thoughts are. And I'll get this going soon. So, have a good day.